Hey, are you asking, is affiliate marketing worth it? What do I need to know before I get started? Hey, I'm a beginner and I'm just getting started. What are the things I should know so that I don't waste time, I don't waste money, I don't waste energy? Well, hey, in this exciting episode today, I'm going to do a quick tutorial video on is affiliate marketing worth it and go into some of the frequently asked questions that new beginners are commonly asking. I know when I first got started in affiliate marketing, I probably asked some of these questions, but I didn't really see them anywhere that I could find it and it was readily available all in one place that someone's going to give me the honest truth and answers. And so in this episode, I'm going to try to do that for you and hopefully save you a whole lot of time and energy and pain. So stick around because I'm going to share with you exactly what affiliate marketing is, how much it costs to get started, when should you expect to see results, what are some of the common pitfalls and things that you run into, and what is it that the gurus are not telling you that you really need to know before you get started with affiliate marketing. All right, so let's get started. Question one is, what is affiliate marketing? All right, so essentially, if you go to Google, it'll tell you, right? Affiliate marketing is simply the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or other companies' products. You find a product you like, you promote it to others, and you earn a piece of the profit for each sale you make. It's just that simple, okay? Next up, can you make money with affiliate marketing? And the question is, yes, you can. Now, believe it or not, because it may seem difficult in the beginning and almost impossible, but you can. In fact, here's some of the results that I've had, right? Made a couple $100s in some affiliate marketing products that I was promoting a year back. Here on ClickBank, you can see that I've made some sales. In 2019, I only made about $200. In just 2020, early 2020, I'm almost up to $1,000 in sales. Not a whole lot, but it is possible. And this is Digistores, another affiliate marketing network where you can promote products and services. And I've been making several commissions in that just in this month at the time of this video, in March alone, since I got started with Digistore. And yeah, here's another commission affiliate marketing program that I promote where I've been making several commissions and sales, and it's only been several months since that time. And so yes, when I say yes, you can make money, it is possible. Although I do know what you may be feeling, it may feel like it's really tough because nobody's buying any of your stuff, and I'll explain to you why that may be and exactly what you need to do, what I have learned in the last 4 years. In fact, let's get down with it into the history of how this started for me. All right, question number one, and this is actually based off of some questions that I got from someone, a prospect who was asking me. She emailed me all these questions, and I thought, this is brilliant. I think a lot of people will probably want to know this. Let me go ahead and knock out a video so that she gets her questions answered, and so do you as a new affiliate marketer that's looking to make money online. Number one, she said, when did you decide to become an affiliate marketer? Well, let's go into some quick history for me personally. All right, number one, graduated from pharmacy school around 2012. All right, got involved in stock market investing around 2013 because I didn't like the idea of some schmo trying to tell me how to manage my money, and I didn't know anything about money. And then I was struggling with like trying to pay off these school loans, trying to get the mortgage. We had new babies, so I got started in real estate in 2014. Kind of left that spot in around 2017 because I didn't like the idea that we didn't have enough money to invest in these properties, and then so yeah, that was one thing. Then I got involved in network marketing, direct sales around 2015. A friend introduced that to me. While that business model did not work out for me, I will say that I am indebted to network marketing for a lot of things that it taught me. Number one, it introduced me to personal growth and personal development, which ultimately helped me improve my relationships with my parents and my marriage, and gave me this foundation that has helped me into affiliate marketing, which I later discovered around 2016. Now, keep in mind, I didn't really make a whole lot of money when I first got started. In fact, the income that you saw here just from ClickBank is about right, $200 in 2019, and was making some other money in 2019, but really wasn't making any money until about a year or two ago. And so if you notice that I've been started in 2016, so yeah, there's been a struggle. And then really YouTube was what I started, which was kind of the defining factor for me. Started that in 2018, although I really started in 2014, but got serious with videos in 2018, which has been all the difference in my sales and experience. Question number two, did you investigate a ton of programs, affiliate programs and people, or did you just happen upon a really good YouTube video like yours and wanted more? Okay, so the weird thing is that, I really didn't do a whole lot of research into affiliate marketing. I kind of got forced into it, like I said, because network marketing was not working out for me. And so I went online, and if you don't know what network marketing is, it's very similar to affiliate marketing in that you're making sales from someone else's product, and then you're getting commissions. But But with the network marketing, the people that buy products from you can also become part of your team, and then they can go and make sales with the refer people to the product. If they make sales and get commissions, you get a piece of that commission too. That's why network marketing is more leveraged, although you do have to learn how to manage people, which I didn't want to do. And so affiliate marketing worked out, but I really didn't have an idea. I really didn't know what I was doing. I was kind of just going around trying to find something that made sense, a program that made sense. And I kind of didn't really search, but eventually landed on something that worked and went from one place to another kind of aimlessly for 3 or 4 years, which is the reason why I didn't get any results. The problem is, if you go on YouTube right now and type in affiliate marketing, you're going to see a ton of people with videos telling you that they are gurus and experts in affiliate marketing, right? And I mean, now I'm not gonna lie, you'll probably find my videos up here too, right? But what you'll probably realize is that you're not gonna get the full details from all these people and what it takes, because they're creating 10-minute videos. So a lot of the things is that if you spend a lot of your time trying to find free information, you're gonna probably struggle. Some of the best recommendations I can tell you is to find someone who's doing very much similar to what it is that you're wanting to learn and do, and follow them and learn from them. So someone like Mike Diller is a guy that I've noticed over time that I really like, because he started the same way I did, network marketing, then went into affiliate marketing and into like products and selling his own products and services. And what is cool is that he's also interviewed a ton of people in the make money online, home business, work from home niche who have had tons of success. So the beauty about it is that you can listen to this and kind of get an idea of who you want to follow, who's doing what it is that you like to do, follow them, emulate them, and probably find a way to work with them. Question number 3, how much of a learning curve would you say that a newbie needs? And I would say that is largely dependent on your income and on the income that you want and your current skill set. So if you want to go to like what you're making, maybe you're making $2,000-$3,000 a month from your job, and you want to go to $10,000 a month, $15,000-$20,000 a month from your online business, it's going to require a huge amount of skill sets, okay? And so as a result, that's going to take you time, okay? People think that you can make 6 figures in like 3-6 months. I don't think that's true. I think that if you're a complete newbie and you've never done anything on online, you're going to have to give yourself at least 2 to 3 years at the least. The best way I can tell you to think about it is I would think of it like traditional school. When you went to school, like for example, I went to pharmacy school, that took me about 4 to 5 years. If you went to school, got your bachelor's degree, it took you 3 to 4 years to do that. You weren't getting paid at that time, but guess what? You were doing the work that was necessary to fulfill the skill sets to go from level 1, from a junior to a freshman, sophomore, junior, senior. That's how you need to think about it when it comes to online marketing, affiliate marketing. It's that complex. I think a lot of people get involved in the space and then they think that it's going to be real quick because of like the misconceptions and the misplaced expectations, okay? Thinking that you're gonna make money super fast, but you don't have the skill sets to back that up, right? It doesn't work that way. You're gonna need to give yourself some time. And then that leads you people into like shiny object syndrome, right? Where they're doing a whole bunch of different things all at one time because it's not hitting the time frame that they were told it should be. And so maybe it doesn't work, so I need to bounce around. And that's how you end up spending 3 to 4 years not making money like somebody around here. So the only way to do that is you cannot be desperate for the money. If you're in a position where you don't have enough money right now and you're looking for other ways to supplement your income and you're kind of in this desperation for it, I'm going to tell you that's going to really damper and increase the amount of time it's going to take you to make money because you have a desperation for it. And if you're desperate, you're not going to be thinking straight and doing the things you need to be doing. You're going to try to take shortcuts. You're going to go for the get rich quick type of stuff, and it's not going to work for you. My recommendation is if you need money, just go work more time at your job, okay? Put more money in your pocket, take care of those situations, and then be in a situation where you can give yourself some time to go to school. 3 to 4 years is what you're looking at. Maybe 2 to 3 years really. But the beauty about it is that you could be making money during that time too. I consider myself really in year 2 of my training really, right? Even though really I've been at it for a while now in certain regards, which I'm going to explain to you in a quick bit. So don't be desperate because you can't create if you're in a survival mindset, okay? You need to be in a free and relaxed mindset so that you can create and make that money. Question number 4, how long do you say on average does it take to actually see any movement on your products and services that you are promoting? I would say that's largely dependent on what we've just talked about, your skill set, okay? Do you have the skills? Do you have the skills to be able to promote this affiliate marketing product or program, right? Because a lot of time it's not really the program itself. What is your skill set? Do you have a mastery in a particular skill set? Have you set goals for yourself in terms of what you're going to promote and how you're going to promote it? And are you working with a mentor or a coach? All of these things are going to play a role in how long it takes you to start seeing money. Because if you're like me, had no coach and had no mentoring and wasn't really working on a bunch of different things at the same time and a bunch of different traffic sources at the same time, it's going to take you several years, okay? But if you work with a solid program and maybe you get into coaching, maybe not, depending on you, and you have a solid traffic source you are mastering, I can think that you can start making money within 6 to 12 months. That's my belief. A good friend of mine, she did the exact same thing, found a coach and mentorship on YouTube, learned and mastered the traffic source that is YouTube, and that's how I started working with her as well. And we started working with each other, helping each other, and within a year she was making thousands of dollars per month in affiliate marketing sales. So it can be done. Question number 5. Is it a must to make videos in order to make money? Okay, I'm not going to say that it is a must, but I'm kind of going to say it is a must, okay? Because your videos right now is probably the simplest way and the most effective way to make money online. As a matter of fact, here's a infographic that I saw about the importance of video marketing and what they're saying. Basically, it's like the most common and effective piece of social media content you can create right now. In fact, I would venture to say that if you're making Facebook posts, Twitter posts, Instagram posts, you are wasting your time. The only real piece, the most effective piece of content right now is a video that you put on YouTube. 1 billion people on YouTube, almost a third of total internet users on YouTube. I mean, there's just everything they're telling you: increased engagement, traffic, leads, and sales. I mean, you might as well start there. Now, there are other ways that are very effective, but there's 2 other ways that there are, and I'll tell you what they are. But YouTube is probably the simplest and easiest one to get started because you literally don't need anything but just to start shooting a video and making money from that video. And that's it. And oh, by the way, the video can stay out there and continue to make you money forever and ever and ever. I have videos now on my YouTube channel that continue to make me money every single day. If you want more information on this, I recommend you check out my video that I have on, I have a whole playlist here on affiliate marketing, which a lot of this stuff is on there. And I think I did a video here on YouTube affiliate marketing that you can check out here. So a lot of affiliate marketing secrets, all the affiliate marketing for beginners. These videos are really good videos because these are videos that I was doing as I was learning this stuff over time that will be really helpful and break it down for you. All right. Question 6. What do you think is necessary to be a successful as a marketer online right now? And I'll keep it simple with you, okay? I think there's only 2 things: mindset and skill set, okay? Like, I literally say that in the beginning of my videos because that's what I remember as the fundamental, the mindset and skill set. Mindset, in other words, having the right mind to become an entrepreneur to make the results happen. Because guess what? If you were the kind of person that could get the results of $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 per month right now, you would already be doing it. The fact that you're not doing it means that you lack not only the mindset to achieve it, but the skill sets. Take care of those 2 things and you're good, right? Number 1, for example, setting goals. People never set goals. You set goals for yourself on what it is that you want to do and how you want to do it by finding the people who are doing what it is that you want to do. For example, here's a really good list that I found the other day of some of the best marketers online in the game right now. And this is what I'm telling you. Here's my recommendation. Find one of these guys like Russell Brunson, co-founder of ClickFunnels, Ryan Dice, I know this guy, digital marketer, Neil Patel, who doesn't know him, founder of Crazy Egg, and a whole bunch of people. Here's Mike Diller that I was mentioning around earlier a second ago, and so many people here that are all having massive success in what they're doing. Follow them, model them, work with them if you can, and get the results that you're looking for because they already have the results and they've proven that they can do it. In order to really get your mindset going, I recommend you check out Dr. Dispenza's book. It's one of the best books I've bought. It's called Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself. You just get this book. That's all I can say. If you want to change your mindset and start changing the results that you have, you need to work on you. Your physical outward world is a reflection of you on the inside. You fix you on the inside, the world will take care of itself. I'm telling you, buy this book and read this book and your life will never be the same. Next up, you need to work on your skill sets, okay? In other words, what it is that you're doing that's actually going to give you the results. I'm telling you, if it were me and I'm you and you're me and I'm you from where you are now in the beginner, the one skill set I would be working on is copywriting. I'm telling you, if you look at all these names on this list, almost all of them have mastered at one point or another the skill set of copywriting. What is copywriting? It's simply the ability to write persuasive copy, persuasive words that get people to do things. So that would kind of make sense in a place like affiliate marketing where you're trying to make sales, right? Whether you're doing it on video or blog or in any other form of media, copywriting is a fundamental skill set. I recommend just pick up a good book on it and start studying it and learning it. Don't worry about anything else because this is your freshman year. Remember, you're in a 2 to 3 year program. Freshman year, focus on copywriting and your mindset, of course. And then, of course, I would also say mastery of one traffic source because that's one thing that kicks people and that kicked me too. Master one traffic source. Don't waste your time on anything else other than a blog, YouTube, or podcast. Those are the 3 most effective mediums of traffic right now that continue to work very, very well. Everything else, waste your time. Question number 7, she asked me was, whom are you marketing to? Okay, so that question is more of a target customer question, right? Who's my target customer? Who's my target avatar, my ideal customer? And that's variable, so it depends on what your channel is or your blog is about and who you're talking to. For me, on this particular channel, it's about people who want to make money online, who want to work from home, who want to have a freedom, who want to get back their economic freedom and their time. And I'm a huge proponent on that, being able to have more choices in your life. Me and my wife have another blog that's more about skincare. So it just depends. So then it comes down to, okay, what do you want to talk about? What niche do you want to talk about? And I can't recommend any other better book than this book right here from Ryan Levesque. Oh, by the way, hold on, wait a minute. Was his name on that list? Yes, it is. Look at this guy. Okay, this guy knows what he's talking about. Great book, okay, on helping you pick a solid niche. I highly recommend it. Question number 8, what would you say a person would need on monthly in order to actually make money? In other words, what are your startup costs that you're your monthly marketing costs every month to make money online? Okay, so that largely depends on what it is that you're doing, what your main traffic source is. But let's say you're just really, really basic and you're just going to do a YouTube channel, because I highly recommend you do a YouTube channel, right? All you need is a very simple funnel page builder, okay? So that could be something like a ClickFunnels, which is very popular. Oh, by the way, that's your boy Russell Brunson, right? He owns ClickFunnels. Or you can do something like Builderall, very well-known program right now. These help you build funnels. You need this, okay? And they're not very expensive. You're looking at about $30 to $90 depending on which one you go with. Then you need an autoresponder. I use GetResponse. I like it. You're looking at about $15 to $20 something a month. That's it. And so you need these things because that's how you generate leads and collect leads on an email list, okay? That's not that much money. And then if your YouTube channel, one-time cost would be like things like video equipment, microphone, camera, lights, things like that. As a matter of fact, I recommend you check out my playlist here on YouTube video marketing. I do have a couple of them on screen recorder tools here and best YouTube equipment for beginners on a budget. Check out these videos. I did these like a couple years back, but they're still relevant. It's basically the exact setup I'm using right now still. So they still work. Then, of course, if you're doing a blog, then you're going to need to consider hosting. And then other costs that you may have to consider, like maybe you're doing coaching and mentorship, and maybe you have a budget for courses to educate yourself that you're going to be doing. Whatever the case may be, I recommend you set a budget so that you do not overspend, okay? Do not overspend. But yeah, you're going to have to find money. Maybe you're going to have to continue working your job in order to fund the basic things like a funnel page builder, autoresponder. You're looking at about $150 to $200 a month, no more than that when you calculate everything together. I think that's pretty reasonable given how much it would cost if you had any other type of business. So that's it, my friend. That right there is everything that I did. I think that would be helpful for you as a beginner affiliate marketing looking to get involved in the game. If you ask me, is it worth it? I think it's a hella worth it, okay? Yes, it's rough. It's tough in the beginning, but I'm telling you, the amount of leverage that you have later on, like these sales that I'm making now without even having talked to anyone because I use the powerful medium that is videos and YouTube, is absolutely amazing. My wife can't believe it sometimes. Neither can I. People are actually paying me money because of the value I'm giving. And mind you, I wasn't getting paid anything for the first couple years when I was doing videos, but now they are. So I encourage you to take up the challenge, learn a new skill set, go to school. Give yourself time, 2 to 3 years, and you can do it. I promise you can. You can do it. Anybody can do it. I promise you, okay? Just follow some of these things right here, and you will be above 95% of of the population. So that's it, my friend. I hope this was helpful. If you found value, hey, definitely give the video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel. And oh, by the way, check out this video right here. I think this video will be helpful for you in terms of what you need to know about YouTube and affiliate marketing, and the step-by-step guide that's gonna help you get there. I think you'll like that video. Check that out, all right? To the next exciting episode, my friend. Be blessed, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.